I'm on H-log, 10-bit. Is there color on the tree? Color on the floor? When there's low light? Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with a DJI Osmo Action 5. If I don't name a camera, maybe it's an Action 4. This is the same shot with low light, super night. Let's stop. Is there color here, color there? I'm just getting so confused of all the settings I'm using, the modes and everything. Yeah, it is what it is, man. This is what you bought the camera for, to grab shots like the goblin, the ghost. Yeah. Oh, let's change settings off of HDR. Can you tell the difference? I see the sky is kind of lit up, but it's not that color. If the camera worked like the photo, oh, we'll all be happier 100 million%. I was complimented on videos about having jitter-free video. Basically the only one, from only one. It's a walking day, yes indeed. I didn't want to ride the bike, I wanted to walk and get a count. See how many footsteps when I get to where I need to be at. If I get there. Of the many years I've been filming, yes indeed, I always said, if there's no light on the subject, you're not gonna get video. You always have to have light. We're gonna open up the Mimo app, and hopefully there'll be, yes indeed, mid-October, firmware that all are crying, oh, did they fix the bitrate? Did they fix the horizon lock? Oh, did they fix the fix? Well, let's see if they fix anything. So I'm turning on my phone and going to open up the DJI Mimo app while recording with the same exact camera. Yes, indeed, it's opening up and wants to join while I pause my firmware upload. Here we go. You see any firmware update? Nothing for this region at all. So can I stop the recording? Look at the bullet. It's a full red circle when not recording. Now it's like a partial circle. DJI, make it universal like every other camera in this world. Square when it's recording. So I got 3 ways to record. The shutter button, the remote control of the mic, the Mimo app. I guess I'll hold on to you, Osmo Action 5 Pro. Firmware update or not, you do a good job filming. That's all I can say. It's time for me to go. I gotta do some counting. I gotta take care of Joe. And I gotta do a couple of good things. And get it all done before I could just say, hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for your time. I'll go back, I edit my 10-bit footage of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Have a great day.